Is there a little bit shadow? Yeah, I can sit in the shadow a little bit. Yes, of course, guys, I'm live. Am I live? Is the live working? Is the sound okay? We are here together with another beautiful Bitcoin family. I don't think the sound is okay because I don't see anybody live. How do we do this? Hi, Jeroen. Sorry, guys, that I forgot the Dutch AMA yesterday. So I'm doing the English AMA today. We are visiting a beautiful beach. It's called, I don't even know how it's called. I think Akumal Beach or something in Mexico. And we just had some fun with dolphins. Thanks to this family over here, all Bitcoiners. They introduced us here to this beautiful beach and to the dolphins and all that stuff. Hello, Belgium. Hello. Who do we have in house? Which countries are here, guys? Do we only have Dutch people or do we also have English? Because then I will stop. I will keep talking English. Hola, hombres. UK, Holland, Germany, Deutschland, Florida, Tahiti, Albania, Greece, USA, Croatia, Austria. We have many, so I will keep speaking English. Guys, were you all in shock of the huge dip? Make some noise for the dip. Yeah. I was a little bit in shock, of course, because I didn't expect a dip. But then again, I woke up, I bought some extra Bitcoin, 0.16, and now we are again back at the level where we should be. I don't even know which level we are, because I'm doing the live. Came fresh from the open pool, so I don't even know what the Bitcoin price is. Hopefully it's 56k something or something, but let's see. I'm just buying the dips every time. I'm going to try to keep it a little bit short because we are visiting another Bitcoin family living in Mexico. So I will try to take it to half an hour. So let's talk some Bitcoin, blockchain and life. Do you have any questions? Do you have any remarks? Do you want to tell me something? Then please shout. Buzz. I don't know what it means. Buzz. 55,800. That's perfect. Plan B, that's perfect. So we closed above the 4 hour above 55,000 US dollar. Let's see, I need to check if we closed the weekly candle today because the weekly candle needs to be closed above that line that I saw in the video today. So we are going to look at the close of the weekly, the NVT, if that one still is red or green. Because if it's shifting from red, guys, then we can expect some more bear time, short-term bear time, which means we can pull back a little bit more to even 50k again and then go up. But I don't think the weekly candle is going to be that negative. So let's see how it's going to be. Isla Mujeres was very beautiful, was amazing. I can have a honest opinion, personal, doesn't matter if not when I want to hear, okay? Yeah, I'm going to give you your honest opinion. What do you want? The charts are hard. I lost $5. I'm a beginner. Yeah, trading is not always easy in the beginning, guys. Yeah, it starts a little bit difficult. The margin traders were causing the dip. No, I think it was the miners that were causing the dip in combination with the margin traders, in combination with some exchanges. So yes, I think too many people were in profit, and then sometimes, you know, they need to pull the plug and then they liquidate people. That's how the business works. I don't like it, but it's how it works. You just play the game. So for me, you know, sometimes it's also healthy. If you look at the video today I made, you can see at the end of the video, the last minute, I showed a chart of the pullbacks in 2017. We had 8 pullbacks and all bigger than 30%, guys. We did only see pullbacks of 20%, 29% in this bull run. So for me, it's still healthy. It's a healthy correction. I'm not freaking out, guys. How can it be? It's nothing strange. Again, check the bull market of 2017. We see several pullbacks, bigger pullbacks, because in the 2017 bull market, we pulled back to the yellow line, to the 21 moving average every time again. And now we are staying above this 21 MA. The 21 MA at the moment is at the 42,000 US dollar. I think it will grow slowly to 43, 44,000 US dollars next week. But we can still pull back to that and we would still be bullish. In 2017, we pulled back to that line a few times and we still kept going up. We still went to 20K from $800 in the beginning. If we pull back now to 40K, that doesn't mean that the bull market is open. That it means that we pull back to the 21 MA during this bull run that will end the end of this year around 150 to 200,000 US dollar. We had much worse indeed, RGL. So for all the newcomers, I understand that you're freaking out. I understand that's a shock, but please look at the charts. Please look at the video I made today. You can see that it's nothing strange if we compare it to the bull market of 2017. We are even doing better. We are outperforming that bull market because the dips are smaller. 90K is still in the play. If we compare that with the numbers that we saw on the chart that I shared from Willy Who, that one is saying that there is a lot of growth possible in the SOPR, which means we can go to the level of 2 or 3.6. The level of 2 would bring us to 90K, level 3.6 to 160K. So there's a lot of upwards movement possible. Check my video of the day. You can see all those circles. Those circles, they all indicate exactly what is the best moment to buy the dip. Even he knows how to buy the dip. We all buy the dip. Yes, Jeroen, there is a non-KYC cryptocurrency. Please send me a direct message so I can inform you about that one. I can't do this public. I am buying in right now, Litecoin and a few altcoins in the exchange Qcoin. That one I bought yesterday. The dip. Did you know this before the dip? Did I know what before the dip, guys? Did I know that we were going to fall down? No, nobody knows. Do you know the song from the video? No one knows. No one knows. It's impossible. We don't have a glass ball. And this kinds of dips, they come out of nothing in the middle of the night on Saturday. Nobody knows and can predict that. And if it happens, you just make sure that your strategy is okay and that you can multiply your Bitcoins the moment it happens. Or you buy the dip, or you short Bitcoin. When did I break up? I would never sell your Bitcoins at the moment, guys. I don't know. I don't understand that question. Why would you sell your Bitcoins? I will never sell the Bitcoins. We are not at the end of the bull run. We are just seeing a pullback, 20%. You know, we saw pullbacks of 40% the last bull run. I'm not selling. Why would I sell? We are going way more higher than this, guys. Really, don't be fooled. It's a game that I've been playing for a couple of years. I am here with this Bitcoin family. I'm educating them as well in this because, you know, for everybody that has the first bull run, there's a lot of new things and emotions you're going to feel. This will be one huge emotional roller coaster ride. Do understand me. This is not going to go simple. This is nothing. We can see more severe dips. We can see bigger crashes. We can see stranger upward moves that we can't expect even. This can all happen in Bitcoin. This is like, get used to it. And the bear time, because we're going to go in the bear market somewhere in the future, that one it will feel even worse, guys. Get used to the bad and the good feelings in Bitcoin, because that's what Bitcoin is about at the moment if you trade Bitcoin. You know, it's just another pullback on the way to $1 million per Bitcoin. That's how I see it. And we will see many more pullbacks on the way to $1 million Bitcoin. I can't talk about VeChain because I don't own VeChain, but VeChain is a good project. Like I said, you know, I don't support them or I don't hold a bag of VeChain. I had my bag of VeChain in 2017. I made shitload of profits with VeChain. It's a good project. It's still there. It will still be there. But believe me, because this is the question I want to answer now. Everybody that thinks that other coins are not crashing when Bitcoin crashes, stop thinking that. If Bitcoin crashes, everything crashes. If Bitcoin crashes, VeChain is not going to take it over. Ethereum is not going to take over. Polkadot is not going to take over. There is no coin that is going to take over when Bitcoin crashes. They will all crash in the bear market. So all these projects, VeChain, all of them, if I would use them, I would use them to multiply my Bitcoins. Bitcoin is for me still the only king. And that's why I convert all my altcoins into Bitcoin by trading them. So I support many cryptocurrency, but again, all to multiply my Bitcoins. Dogecoin is taking over. Yeah. Check my latest tweet about Dogecoin. I would not care if Dogecoin takes over. That's what I said, Jimmy. We are all in. I don't have money. I only exchange Bitcoins on certain moments to stable coins. So if Bitcoin tops out at 65K, I exchange one Bitcoin to stable coins, to 60,000 US dollar Tether, or to 60,000 DAI, or to 60,000 PAX, whatever stable coin I can. And then when Bitcoin dips 2-3K, I buy back the Bitcoins. Then I buy more Bitcoins back than I sold. So that's the game. And from those Bitcoins that I bought back more, that's how I live this life. We live this life just with a laptop. I don't have a day job. It's trading. It's just multiplying my Bitcoins. That is how we pay for everything in life. Cardano is a beautiful project. If I were you, I would step into Cardano. Cardano, I have a huge bag of Cardano, and I will keep my bag of Cardano. I think Cardano can easily go up a few dollars. So yes, I will stay in it. You can already buy a house with Bitcoin, guys. Here in Mexico, there's all these apartments are for sale for Bitcoin. There's a real estate agent here. You can buy a house with Bitcoin. In Holland, there are real estate agents. You can buy a house with Bitcoin. In Portugal, I know 3 houses myself in Lagos. You can buy them with Bitcoin. You can buy everything already with Bitcoin. It's not that easy anymore. Wake up, get rid of your bank accounts and start to use Bitcoin. Then you experience that it's easy, easy. Elon Musk is not Satoshi. Exactly. That's the mindset, RGL. You're broke with currency and you're top in Bitcoin. I'm broke in currency as well. I'm a bum, I'm a homeless guy when it comes to fiat. Jeroen, many people ask me about smart key. I still didn't look into it. It's really busy in my life. I don't have time to investigate all the projects. Maybe you can send me some more information about it so it becomes more easy for me to read it, understand it, and give feedback next time. I would be very thankful if you can send me like a one-pager or something that what you think why it's a good project. Then you educate me now. Yeah, it's beautiful weather here. The beach is beautiful. They have a little bit weed because of the storm on the sea, so they are cleaning it now. It's a beautiful beach over here. We just swam with the dolphins. It was an amazing experience. Very intelligent people, almost people, it's animals, and the kids learned a lot. Oh, look, this is what I... And now it's, sometimes it falls away. Back. Are we back? I think we are back. I think YouTube wants me to stop drinking. Every time when I show my glass, it stops filming. Chainlink is a top project. I'm in Chainlink. Like you can see, the moment my wife brought me the tobacco, it stops. No, it's the Wi-Fi, guys. The Wi-Fi is not very stable here. Sorry for that. I have a lot of Chainlink, I have a lot of eGold, I have a lot of Cardano, I have a lot of Polkadot, I have a shitload of paid network, I have a shitload of family tokens, PPay, and Anarchy is the latest coin I added to my portfolio. Cheers to all of you there in Europe on a beautiful evening, guys. No, I forgot to go live yesterday, so normally on Saturday I do a Dutch live. I forgot it yesterday because I was really busy, so maybe I will do a Dutch live tomorrow because in the evening then we can do a Dutch live. I saw a few images from Jake Paul and Ben Askren. I found it a little bit strange. I didn't think that Ben was looking very fit. Strange, but you know, I focused on the fight Friday because there was one fight in the Netherlands and it was the welter championship. That guy, he's Dutchy, and he was fighting with the shorts with the Bitcoin family logo on it. And it was live on Dutch television, on Ziggo Sports Television. It was live on it. He had a Bitcoin family shirt, he had a Bitcoin family shorts on, and he won the fight. This is what I look. It's a fighter from the Maluku Islands. Xavier is his name, Xavier Colin. He won the fight on points. Really good fighter. I would love you to see, to right. What is right? That one? Is this right or is that right? I don't know what right is, guys. What is right? It's all beautiful here on the beach. Everywhere is beautiful. Oh, you want me to zoom in? Oh, that's my followers. Only look at the women. Don't looking at my huddle cap, but they are looking at the women. Cheers on the women. Hey, Mark. Hi, guys. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I'm doing a 30-minute live because I'm visiting another family and we were having some fun with the family, so that's why I will do a short one today, okay? Is there any other questions that I can answer for you guys on this beautiful Sunday? Yes, I will give my greets and love to Marcos here. Yeah, weed, there's enough weed. I don't know if we can smoke the weed, I don't think we can, but it's a lot of weed. Maybe we can roll a cigarette like a good one. The view is beautiful, check. It's a beautiful view. The sea is amazing over here. And I'm back. No, I will never buy Ripple. Sorry guys, I will never buy Ripple. The 10 weekly MA? Oh, that was a very good remark. I didn't notice that. Okay, I'm going to check this and maybe use it in tomorrow's video. So you're saying Bitcoin is moving around the 10 weekly MA? I need to check that. I think in August Bitcoin could be way above 70,000 US dollar. Like the chart that I showed with you guys, that would mean that we even would have a top in September maybe. So somewhere between September and December would be the top. So it's going to be a fun next coming couple of months, guys. It's going to be all fun. No, I didn't look into the SafePal hardware wallet. Sorry. No, my family never gets shocked from the Bitcoin price, guys. That my family is not that concerned about Bitcoin. We are more concerned about accumulating happiness, beautiful things. You know, we did pretty good with Bitcoins, which means, you know, yeah, Bitcoin can drop in price, but we can still live. You know, we don't leave that much money every month. And we have, let's say, we can live a couple of years with the same amount of money every month. So we are not freaking out about the price. I'm just freaking out about the fact that I don't have US dollars anymore to buy more in the dip. XRP is not only centralized, XRP is also hand-picking their nodes, which means they hand-pick their miners. So they decide who is the miner, so that's complete centralization. That's why I don't want brown Bacardi, guys, brown Bacardi, always brown rum. I prefer brown over the white rum. Portugal, at the moment, okay, let's be open and very honest again. I'm always that, but I always say this. We as a family are having problems. We are doubting if we want to go back to Europe at the moment or not. The plan is that we fly, you can wave, hello. The plan is that we would fly back on the 30th of April to Portugal to start to build the village. At the moment, if about a green passport or something they call it in Europe, that will force me to do vaccinations and PCR tests to travel between countries or to even leave that country again, makes me a little bit, I don't want to go to Europe, you know. And maybe we will stay longer in Mexico. There is no vaccinations here. There is no face masks. There is no COVID. Everything is open. Entertainment is open. Amusement parks, live music. So we are thinking maybe we should stay longer because of all the shit they are doing in Europe at the moment. I don't want to get caught in some kind of a lockdown, and because they open up for a month and then they are starting to freak out again. Oh, the numbers are going up. We are going to lock down again. So we are thinking very hard as a family what we will do. Monero, I always have a few Moneros, you know, it's a little bit private, so that's why I have some. Hi Switzerland, good evening. I already said about VeChain, it's a good project, but I don't own them anymore. I took my profits in 2017-18, and after that I didn't buy VeChain back. Do we have any other questions, guys? I have a few Ion, a few. Doge. No, never XRP. XRP is a triple X to me. No, no, no. Chainlink, yes. Hi, Mitch Beckham. Habar, Hedera. I'm looking into it because it looks very promising to me. I need to come to New Zealand. Yes, we were doubting with the family to maybe even live for a year in New Zealand because we love that the New Zealand country has 4 seasons, is English speaking, and New Zealand has, you know, sun, tropical, but also winter. So we were thinking about New Zealand, but we don't think that we can come into New Zealand. I think we need to do a shitload of tests and all that stuff. So probably very difficult for our family to come to New I'm trading on the MacBook Pro. So I don't know which laptop is the best, but I'm trading on the MacBook Pro. My favorite altcoin at the moment is Paid Network. Yes, Bitcoin is going to be around 200K at the end of this year. Yes, Trust Wallet is a very good wallet. I'm using Trust already for many years. It's a Binance product. I have all my NFTs in my Trust Wallet, all my altcoins in the Trust Wallet, also some Bitcoins in the Trust Wallet. You can even hold the family token in the Trust Wallet. So yes, Trust Wallet is a very good wallet. Yes, and you can also check, guys, Anarchy. Check Anarchy. This is a project I'm stepping into. I bought some Anarchy, a lot, because I believe that they build something really cool, and they're going to come out with some really cool news in the future, near future, that is going to make that coin explode up. Yes, I'm not a financial advisor, long hair dude on the beach, but anarchy, look into anarchy. This coin is going to come out with something really cool. I know already what they are coming out with, and I'm amazed that yeah, when that comes out, you will love. Do you stake coins? I'm staking coins a little bit of Crypto.com. I'm testing with Celsius, and I'm testing with Swissborg. So I'm testing some projects, but for me, the problem is all the staking platforms are KYC, and most of my Bitcoins are non-KYC. So I don't want my Bitcoins to become KYC because I stake them. The moment I do one transaction with my non-KYC Bitcoins that are like invisible on my ledger, and I send them to, for example, a staking platform where I left my passport, they are not non-KYC anymore. Everybody knows that I have these Bitcoins, and they can even track back that Bitcoin because they know the wallet that I send them from, and then they can track back all the history and make me or force me to pay taxes on those Bitcoins. A huge part, the biggest part of my capital is non-KYC. I am never going to give up that non-KYC privacy. So that is why I only try a little bit with a little bit Bitcoins that I bought with Kraken, for example, which already is KYC. So that is what I use to stake and test the projects. Myself, I prefer trading. You know, I multiply my Bitcoins by trading, by the swing trades, by shorting, by longing. I make more return on investment with the trading than I could make with staking. But for people that don't like trading, staking is a good opportunity. Anarchy, that was the correct one. Yes, Wouter Stegen, you said the word. Anarchy, that is the correct one. I don't care about tax evasion. It's not tax evasion. It's just making use of the legal way of living life without paying too much taxes. In Holland, there is no even evasion possible because it's only 1.3 tax. You know, I don't care about paying 1.3% tax on Bitcoins. Mexico, 0% tax. Portugal, 0% tax. So it's not like evasion. It's like a legal way of, walking the passes, walking the system. The way they fuck you up, you can fuck them up as well. Sorry guys, I didn't need to swear. I don't know Dopey Cash. If you want to know which indicators are saying that the bull run is over, then please do check all the indicators that I use in my videos. They're the NVT, the SOPR, there's many indicators that I've been talking about that will indicate the end of the bull run. Just check my videos every day. I need to go out of the Bitcoin into a stablecoin as well, guys. And I'm going to do it when I am on camera. I will show you that I will go out. I will show you I'm going out with 20% now, 30% then, 30% again, and the last 20% I will tie to catch the peak. I'm going to show you all of this, so when I get out, you need to get out, I think, as well. And if you don't get out, there's also a choice. And I only get out with like a huge part, like 60% of my portfolio to multiply my Bitcoins, and like 40% I keep always in Bitcoins. Like, you know, I always keep some Bitcoins, Litecoin, Ethereum, of course family tokens, paid network. My lifestyle cost a month. On average, we live this life the last 5 years. I have my calculations in an Excel sheet. An average around 50,000 US dollars, so that's 40,000 euro per year, all in. 40,000. Inclusive all the rental of the houses, inclusive all the flights, inclusive all the food, inclusive all the stuff we do, inclusive everything we do, around 40,000 a year with a family of 5 for the last 5 years on average. Sometimes we spend less in the bear market, sometimes we spend more now here in Mexico during the bull market. So yeah, but on average, the Excel sheet shows me that we $50,000 or 40,000 euros. Not that much in my opinion, because if I would live this lifestyle in the Netherlands, it would cost me the minimum the double to have a house, all the insurance, the cars, all the stuff. Yeah, I don't think it's very expensive. And if you have a small starting capital, guys, 40k a year means you need to make around 3,500 US dollar a month with trading. I showed you already with my video that we are aiming for 2% a day. 2% a day is 60% a month. If you trade with 60k, that's 6k a month. With 10k, I mean, it's 6k a month. So if you make 2% a day times 30 days is 60%. If you trade with 5K, 60% of 5K is 30,000 US dollar. So yes, for me, easy achievable this lifestyle with just a small starting capital. A lot of people spend more money in a car or on a watch or whatever, or clothes. So we have a good life. I hope I hope you see the life you're living as a good life. It's a pretty good life. We spend beautiful times on beaches, beautiful cities. Sometimes we live cheap on camping sites. We have for me, it's a perfect life. Other people maybe want more luxury, then they need to, pay more every month. Yeah, he's working very hard. Maybe I will need to buy him a drink. Nah, I don't think that the bull run could end because of the interest rates. I think it will enforce the bull run. If the US is going to increase the interest rate for mortgages and everything, and for maybe even, like the Netherlands, they have negative interest now if you have your savings on a bank account. If the US is going to do the same, negative interest on your bank account, people are going to take their money from the bank account and invest it in stable currencies or invest it in store of values like Bitcoin. Yeah, we'll give him a drink, guys. Don't worry. We give good tips. We always help the poor people over here, so don't worry about that. Jamie, what is the most you earned in a day? Oh, that's a very... Okay. I never talk that much about our income and about our money. But I'm very proud on one day. Because one day I made a shitload because I did a very good trade. And that day we made more than 300,000 US dollar. So that was the most I earned. And the most I lost on a day, more than 300,000 US dollar. I avoid KYC by doing OTC deals. So I buy my Bitcoins OTC and I sell my Bitcoins OTC. So the Bitcoins go from my wallet into another wallet. Then from that wallet I give them to the OTC dealer and I get the cash. I don't have an eye on the indicator at the moment. If the indicator is getting a long flag, like a green flag, and the candle is closing above the yellow stepping line, and the margin call is also showing green hills, and we can see the bam bam crossing the blue line, crossing the white line, that's a triple confirmation. Then just take the long. Because if we are bottoming out now, we can make a very beautiful long trade up to back to the level of 60K. Because mostly when we break the resistance, mostly when we break the support, we fall back again to test that support, and that becomes resistance then. So if you fall to 50K and the support was around 58K, we mostly come back to 50K, go back to 58K to try to break that resistance then at the moment, and then if we succeed, we go up again. If we don't succeed, we go back again to the support of 50K. So I don't know, I don't have the charts now, and I can't see the charts, so I can't give a perfect advice, but that's how I look at it. The BFET was tested yesterday and today, and tomorrow it will go to the moderators. We have a small delay because of a private issue one of the programmers had, so sorry for that. But next week we will come live with the BFET, and you will all be able to use the BFET automated trader for free if you use our referral links. I'm testing the BFET on another project and platform as well, and on that platform during the dip we made 2K. So the BFET made a profit of 2K, but I'm trading the BFET with 1 Bitcoin. So then you know. I don't have an opinion about Pirate Chain. I didn't look at our private chain yet. But we are going to come out very soon, guys, with the BFET and all the other projects. Also a Bam Bam indicator upgrade. We have some surprises coming. We have a shitload long list full with surprises that we are going to bring out the next couple of months. Also some cool stuff coming out for the Bitcoin family token, which I can't talk yet about, but there's coming some really cool stuff. Of course, we are going to offer again a new pledge miner pool, which means if you stake your family tokens for 6 months, we give you incentivize you for staking the family tokens for 6 months. We have a new idea about this. We will come out very soon with it. The previous pledge miners, they staked like 10,000 US dollar in Bitcoin, in Ethereum and family token in total, and they received the double amount of tokens in May now this year. And in May then they make the profit because they support us for 6 months. We are going to do something similar again. So if you want to become a liquidity provider, but then for long term, which we refer to as a pledge miner, then send me a direct message, because I can send you how we can incentivize you for doing this and how you can make some money. And yes, do understand, those guys that became the pledge miners, they did it when the family token was as 15 cents. The family token is at 50 cents at the moment. So now, let's see where family token will go. I think we will go higher, of course. Maybe I need to check R. I don't know how to pronounce it. R. That's a good portfolio, Arjuli. 75 in Bitcoin, the rest are altcoins. Really amazing portfolio. I have the same 70-30, 65-35, something like this. It depends on the moment. I don't know if the Gert Verhulst going. Depends if we are in Europe or not. Maybe we will stay longer if Europe is going to go in another lockdown, guys. So we don't know for sure. Like I said, I want to keep it to 30 minutes today. Sorry for the short live, but I'm visiting some other family over here, and that's why I'm going to spend some time with them, of course. We are going to talk about Bitcoin and how to, how to step out, how to handle the bear market, how to handle the top of the bull market. Because, if you're near me, you can book me, of course, as well as an advisor, peer-to-peer. I'm more expensive as a lawyer, I will tell you that, very honest. But I will make you money. I won't save you money, I will make you money. So that's what I'm going to do with this family. I'm going to help them as well. How can you prepare for the exit? And how do you handle your capital in the bear market? And how do you we are going to talk about that, of course. Any other questions? I will do another 2 minutes, then it's 35 minutes, and then I think I will keep it. Do you want to ask my wife something? I can ask her something for you, or I can go there. Another 10 thumbs up, guys. If we have another 10 thumbs up, I'm going to give away 2 t-shirts. Yesterday 1 t-shirt, today 2 t-shirts. If we get 100 likes, 100 thumbs up. If we get 150, 3 t-shirts, of course, like always. You need to leave a comment down below the video after I upload the video. I don't think you can hear or see me anymore because I don't see any questions or reactions. So, wow, that's going too fast. And then they come, all of them. Do I make my kids work while traveling? No, I don't make my kids work. I make my kids an entrepreneur. So we educate our kids to become an entrepreneur. How do you have an idea in your head and then create a product out of it that you don't need to handle, but that you can handle like the 4-hour work week like Timothy Ferriss wrote. So you take a concept, you hire people on Fiverr, you use drop shipping, you create a beautiful hoodie, you then sell the hoodie, and then you make a marketing other influencers, and then you sell your products and you just make money out of your concept. Not by handling it yourself, not by doing all the physical stuff, by becoming an entrepreneur. That's what we teach the kids. So we don't teach them to work, we teach them to become an entrepreneur. HODLEhead in our shop, guys. You go to yolofamilytravel.com/shop. The link is also down below the videos. There is a shop with t-shirts, HODL caps, all that stuff. No, they are not going to... there is no beroepsopleiding anymore. Which beroeps? Tell me which profession I should educate them for in the future. I need to prepare them to be an entrepreneur, to be their own boss. I don't want them to be caught in a system. I don't want them to be running the hamster wheel. I don't want them to be obeying a boss. I don't want to be the shit of number of a company. I want them to be an entrepreneur, to just make their money, make their bitcoins, live their life, and don't give a fuck about a boss. I wish them to be happy. Let them be a diving instructor in the summer, a ski instructor in the winter. Let them be happy with what they do and they provide themselves with this. And to be clear, very clear, my kids have their own bitcoins. They all have their own bitcoins, minimum of 1 bitcoin each. If Bitcoin goes to 1 million, they can say fuck you to every system. So if you want to make your kids say fuck you to the system, make sure they have 1 Bitcoin. Okay guys, I'm going to end it. I'm going to drink my rum coke and have a chat with the family over here. You can ask 1 question to my wife, but you need to ask it now. They are on our own channel. There's 1 question for you. What do you want to drink? Rum or vodka? And there's another question. Are you happy with Didi? She's happy with me. Is there another question? Do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
Sorry, a few questions. No, she doesn't have YouTube.
No.
Tequila or cerveza?
Tequila.
Tequila. Do you have another question? Or are you just watching with her tits?
No, it's not
Ah,
so much to
dirty
see.
guys, you're dirty guys. Dirty
You
followers.
are filming dirty.
Yeah, I'm filming extra dirty for you now.
Ah, gracias.
We get some more thumbs up.
Parfum! Oeh, daar ben ik helemaal niet van. Ja, de merken. Sorry, geen idee. Soms vind ik hem
Cat
lekker.
or dog?
Wat? Both. Sorry.
Cat and dog. She's
Yeah.
really greedy.
I
Eh?
really like animals.
Any other questions?
Adios.
Adios. Give her a kiss.
With a cat? No, not like
Oh, like that? A normal kiss?
Dirty.
Is that enough? Any other questions?
Thanks.
Does she hold crypto? She holds all my crypto. She's a wife.
We huddle together.
I don't have anything to say in this relationship. She is the boss. She has all the private keys. So if you want to do like hijack someone, take her.
Oh yeah. Well, then you still have nothing.
Thanks guys. Have a beautiful day as well. Thanks for watching again. How do you come with your family in Mexico?
With a plane.
With a plane. I wouldn't swim, it's really far, and I wouldn't drive, it's also too far. You don't need to do a PCR test, you don't need to do any
I don't
vaccinations.
have a home, so I don't get homesick.
We get sick when we are home. Different style. But you don't need any tests. You just can fly to Mexico. You don't need a proefvakantie, so they say in the Netherlands. You need to laugh at the proefvakantie. Just step into the airplane, fly here, and come have a Bacardi Coke with all of us here, because we all are here. Germany, Holland, all of them, they are in Mexico. Now, thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. I'm really going to go now because I need to go and have another drink and have some fun with the family that I'm visiting today here. So I'm so thankful that they even invited me to come here, because of them we had a beautiful experience with dolphins that we wouldn't have had else. Brothers, buy me a dinner if you come to Mexico. All of you who comes to Mexico, I will buy you the dinner.
In July, don't know if we are here, but maybe.
Depends in July. If she, yeah, you know, we don't know. We will let you know where we are. But that was all for today, guys. Yeah. Oh, I'm going tight. And that was everything. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Leave a comment. Zoom out in Bitcoin. Zoom in at the weed on the beach. Maybe smoke even the weed. You get pretty high and very happy. See you later, guys. Bam.